As you can see, as we zoom into the transfer track area, you are able to see that Tormenta Rampaging Run's trains are sitting in the transfer track. I believe all 3 of them are in there right now, if not one of them is in the station, which is huge. Hopefully we see testing start very, very soon. You can see that they are still working on electrical up at the top and just around the layout in general. As you can see, I believe these little metal things were what the trains were being transported and stored on. There are quite a bit of them, and I'm pretty sure I remember one of these from the train reveal. I'll put something up on screen from that day. Just made it inside the park. It is very windy, and I did just feel a raindrop, so I'm not sure how long, one, the park's gonna be open, 2, how long I'll be here, but let's go check out Tormenta. And we are here over by the Spain entrance area, and it looks like there are some people up in the station working. Obviously, I can't see the trains from up here, but it does not look like the trains are outside of the transfer track area or in the station, but it is coming along very nicely. I am excited to see this start testing. They do still have the window decals up, so you can't look through and look at the progress from here, unfortunately, but hopefully they uncover these very soon. Just got off of El Aterradero, and I was looking over at Tormenta during the ride, and I did see that they have installed the gate in front of the train while it's in the station that opens and closes right before it dispatches, which is exciting. We'll see when it starts testing, but I think it's going to be this week. One of the things that I did want to mention while I was walking around the park today, I did see a sign out front of Runaway Mountain, which is currently on one train, that says, if you don't enjoy your visit because of the one train operations and the slow moving line because of those operations, you can stop by guest services and you can get a ticket for free to come back and visit in the summer when everything is back up to full operational standards. So just something I wanted to mention to you guys. Here's the look into what's going on in Spain right now. Looks pretty nice. Getting a move on. That's going to do it for today's quick Tormenta update here from Six Flags Over Texas. I'm sure we'll have another one coming out this week, hopefully, about testing. I know next week is SpringCon, so we'll see if we get a Tormenta backstage tour, but that is currently not on the schedule. So I'm excited to get those SpringCon videos out for you guys. But thank you guys for watching. Have a great rest of your day. See ya.